everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you an amazing hair serum which I have come through recently. So this is the Biolage hair serum, and in this video I am going to share all the details about this product and whether I like it or not, and whether you should invest your money in this product or not. So without any further delay, if you want to know the details of this product, then please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, I don't have really dry or frizzy hair. My hair is pretty manageable, but still I like to use a lots of hair serum while styling my hair, because it's really important to apply some good hair serum or a hair protecting cream before doing your hair styling. Or if you have frizzy or dry hair, then though you have to put good amount of hair serum in your hair in daily basis. It's really important, and it really makes your hair so much manageable. And this time I found this Biolage hair serum in Amazon, and I have heard some good reviews about this product, and I was really looking forward to try this one. So I picked this up last month, and I have tried this much, as you can see. And you really need a little bit amount to apply in your hair. So you just need 4 to 5 drops and you are done. So this is the Biolage Smooth Proof Hair Serum, which controls your dry and frizzy hair, and this is a 100 ml product which retails for 300 rupees. And if you have used Livon serum, it's obviously a little bit in the pricier side than that. And Livon is a basic hair serum, and I think that everybody knows about that, so I am just comparing the price with this one. So if you are planning to buy a new hair serum, I will highly recommend to buy this one, guys. Just try it once and you will love this, and you will don't have any regret if you buy this. No matter what your hair type is, you will surely going to love this. Trust me on this, guys, because I truly love this one. And this is not a sponsored video, guys. I have used this on my hair and I really love this one. And today also I have applied this before straightening my hair. So this is a 6-in-1 serum. So it controls your frizzy hair, it manages your hair, and it protects your hair from humidity, and it has a lots of claims. It also makes your hair detangle, and when you are doing any hairstyling, you can apply this also. And this also contains avocado in it, which is a really good product for your hair. And the packaging of this product is also very nice. It is a plastic packaging, and it has a white cap which you have to open. And the consistency of this product is also very liquidy, like the other hair serum. So it's more on the oily side, as you can see. And when you apply this on your hair, it really makes it shiny and smooth. I have applied this today, and still I am not wasting the rest of the product, so I am just applying it. And it really gives a instant shine to your hair. You can apply this after washing your hair, and even on your dry hair. So it totally depends on you when you want to apply this. And I really love this product, and I will highly recommend you to buy this one. And if you buy it and if you use it, please let me know in the comment section below what you think of this product, and I am sure, guys, you are going to thank me later. So that is it for today's video. If you like this one and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos, you will get notified. And I have shared the link of this product in my description box below, so if you want to buy this, you can just have a look. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.